by you. Every chain is broken free. Your power sets my spirit free. In your name I rise. Destiny restored by you.
You don't need to be a producer. You don't need a fancy setup. Just your laptop or phone, and this insane AI tool that's about to flip the music game on its head. Whether you're making YouTube intros, TikTok sounds, podcasts, or full-on tracks, Temple AI gives you the power to create fire music with just a few clicks. So smash that like button, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Go to your Google Chrome and type Templo. And then click on this first one here. After clicking here you land on this interface. So go ahead and click on Create New. Wait for it to load up. It will take some time now that we are here. Click on Custom Mode. And if you want to use 2.0 version, you have only 2 minutes. And in this version you can make songs in English, Chinese and Japanese, but you have only 2-minute maximum. If you want to use version 2.1, this one only supports English and Chinese. Maximum of 4.5 minutes. So choose the one of your choice. So I will go with this first one, and then I will paste in my song lyrics here. If you don't have song lyrics, you can go ahead and click on Auto, so that the AI will help you generate a song. So mind you that you can paste only 3,000 words here at a time. So I will go to my ChatGPT and copy a song. It could be any random thing, but make sure you have a song in mind or the lyrics and then copy it. Go back to your turntable and then put or paste the lyrics here. Then click here and select the genre of your music. It could be electronic pop, hip hop, or any kind of music at all. So let me just choose any random one. You can choose any one of your choice. So I will click here and then I will add title. Then you come down and select from the list of voices that you have here. If you don't want to use any of the voices here, go ahead and click here to clone your own voice. So it's either you upload your voice recording already, or you click here and record it immediately. So I will select any voice here at random. And then I will go ahead and click on Create. So the AI is generating the voice or the music for us. So let us wait for it to finish. Then we're going to play it and hear it as it sounds. Very good, so this AI has generated 2 versions of the same songs. So go ahead and select any one of your choice. Let me play one and see. Alright, so once you are comfortable with any of the songs, you can go ahead and click on Download. So you are going to download with a watermark preview. If you don't want a watermark preview, you can subscribe monthly with $5. So once you download it into your phone, you go into another AI known as Pixverse. Now this Pixverse will help you generate your short videos. Now go ahead and type in your prompt here. So after typing, click on Panel and select 16:9 for YouTube. Then leave these 5 seconds as it is. Click on Turbo and select 720p for higher resolution. And then go ahead and click on Generate. So I have already generated all these images. I have this and I have these 2 images here. So without wasting your time, once this is done, go ahead and click on Download. Go ahead and click on Download. If you want, you can click on this short video and preview before downloading it. Now once you have your images downloaded, go into another AI app known as Dreamface. This AI is called Dreamface. Now once you're on Dreamface, click on Avatar Video. So I'll click on Avatar Video. Then click on Photos/Videos to upload the videos. Short videos you generated with PicSave. So click on Upload Photos, Location, and then select and upload. So the image has been uploaded successfully. The video has been uploaded successfully. Now come to this text if you have what you want. This video to be saying you press it here. But for me I will go with the audio I have already generated. And you can generate a voiceover sorry. That music we generated using Tempo. That's the music we're going to put here, so that the person here will start singing it. So I'll go ahead and click on Upload Audio. And then I'll select this one here. I'll click Open, then I will hit Generate. So if you want to see your work or works that you created, go to Creations. And our video is still generating, look at it here. Yes, the videos are still generating, so let us wait for them to finish. Now once you are done, you will have to go to a video editing tool like CapCut and combine these videos together and give it some touch so that it will look beautiful and fine, and then upload, and then after combining them, go ahead and export your video and you are good to go. So if you want me to make a video on how to use CapCut and combine your different videos to make one whole video, type CapCut in the describe in the comment section of this video. And if you like what you see, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Share the video so that it can reach more people. Perfect, so this is the video that we have generated. Let me click on it so that you hear.
Every chain is broken free. Your power